Python _str_ versus _Unicode_. Is there a Python convention for when you should implement _str_ versus _Unicode_? I've seen classes override _Unicode_ more frequently than _str_, but it doesn't appear to be consistent. Are there specific rules when it is better to implement one versus the other? Is it necessary/good practice to implement both?
_str_ is the old method, it returns bytes. _Unicode_ is the new, preferred method, it returns characters. The names are a bit confusing, but in 2.x we're stuck with them for compatibility reasons. Generally, you should put all your string formatting in _Unicode_ and create a stub _str_ method. In 3.0, str contains characters, so the same methods are named _bytes_ and _str_. These behave as expected.
If I didn't especially care about micro-optimizing stringification for a given class, I'd always implement _Unicode_ only, as it's more general. When I do care about such minute performance issues, which is the exception, not the rule, having _str_ only, when I can prove there never will be non-ASCII characters in the stringified output, or both, when both are possible, might help. These I think are solid principles, but in practice it's very common to know there will be nothing but ASCII characters without doing effort to prove it. For example, the stringified form only has digits, punctuation, maybe a short ASCII name, in which case it's quite typical to move on directly to the just _str_ approach. But if a programming team I worked with proposed a local guideline to avoid that, I'd be +1 on the proposal, as it's easy to err in these matters and premature optimization is the root of all evil in programming.
With the world getting smaller, chances are that any string you encounter will contain Unicode eventually. So for any new apps, you should at least provide _Unicode_. Whether you also override _str_ is then just a matter of taste.
If you are working in both Python 2 and Python 3 and Django, I recommend the Python _2 Unicode_ compatible decorator. Django provides a simple way to define str and Unicode methods that work on Python 2 and 3. You must define a str method returning text and to apply the Python _2 Unicode_ compatible decorator. As noted in earlier comments to another answer, some versions of future.utils also support this decorator. On my system, I needed to install a newer Future module for Python 2 and install Future for Python 3. After that, then here is a functional example. Here is example output, where venv2/venv3 are virtual inf instances.
Ja uważam, że to sermowe, sekcją shider subscribing.